In last lecture, we have to discuss the definitions of illumination, luminous intensity, what is meant by solid angle, what is my lumen. So, we have to revise that definition and laws of illumination. So, what is mean by illumination? It is defined as the luminous flux received by a surface per unit area. It's called as illumination, and it is denoted by E, and it is represented by lumens per square or lux, right? So the formula is E is equal to F upon A. What is meant by F? It is a surface area or luminous flux in that particular surface area, right, with respect to surface area or working plane, right. Then next definition is luminous intensity. So what is mean by luminous intensity, right? The luminous intensity is defined as luminous flux emitted by the source per unit solid angle in a given direction. Means how much intensity that particular lamp or particular source will be emitted in a per square area. It's called as luminous intensity. It is denoted by I and expressed in candle. So formula become I is equal to F upon omega, where omega is a solid angle. It is an angle between the source and surface area. It's called as solid angle, and it is denoted by omega. So formula is I is equal to F upon omega, and unit is a lumen or candle, right? Then next definition, it is a solid angle. What is meant by solid angle? The solid angle is at a point in a space by an area, and it is enclosed by the volume formed by infinite number of lines of flux. Means simply it is an angle in between illumination source or artificial source and surface area is called as omega, solid angle, right? Then next definition is lumen. What is meant by lumen? It is a product of candle power and solid angle. Simply it is a product of candle power and solid angle. So formula is lumens is equal to candle power into omega. Omega means solid angle. Then next point is the laws of illumination. There is a two laws of illumination. First one is a inverse square law, and second is a Lambert's cosine law. In inverse square law states that the illumination of a surface is inversely proportional to the square of the angle, the square of distance between the surface and the light source provided that particular point. Means it is simply the intensity illumination at point A is directly proportional to the illumination intensity and inversely proportional to the distance between source and surface area. So formula become A is equal to I upon D square. Means the illumination at point A is directly proportional to the illumination intensity I and inversely proportional to the distance between source and surface area, right? Then laws of Lambert cosine law. Lambert cosine law and इनवर्स स्क्वेअर लॉ मध्ये डिफरन्स काय, फक्त जो कोसाइन अँगल आहे तो पण काय घ्यायचा आपण डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल घ्यायचा. म्हणजे लॉ काय होईल, द इल्युमिनेशन ॲट पॉइंट ए इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इल्युमिनेशन इंटेन्सिटी आय and inversely proportional to the square of distance between source and surface area, and it is again डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द कोसाइन अँगल मीन्स ओमेगा. मग तो कोसाइन अँगल कोणता? तो सोर्स आणि सरफेस एरिया मधला जो अँगल आहे त्याला आपण म्हणतो कोसाइन अँगल. पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट लिहून घ्या, त्यानंतर क्लिअर होईल तुम्हाला. राईट डाऊन लॅम्बर्ट कोसाइन लॉ. लॅम्बर्ट कोसाइन लॉ. Lambert cosine law state that the Lambert cosine law state that the illumination point on a surface is directly proportional to the cosine angle between the normal at that point along with the direction of luminous flux. आता खाली फॉर्म्युला लिहून घ्या म्हणजे तुम्हाला सर्व कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होईल. Illumination at point A is equal to I upon d square and into cos theta आता लॅम्बर्ट कोसाइन आणि इन्व्हर्स स्क्वेअर लॉचा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो कम्पेअर करा. त्यामध्ये डिफरन्स काय बघा. आय म्हणजे काय? इल्युमिनेशन इंटेन्सिटी. तो काय ती काय डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनली दोघांमध्ये सेम आहे. त्यानंतर डी स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय? डिस्टन्स बिटवीन सोर्स अँड सरफेस एरिया. लाईट आणि सरफेस एरिया मधला जो डिस्टन्स आहे तो स्क्वेअर घेतो आपण. तो काय? इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनली. इन्व्हर्स स्क्वेअर लॉ मध्ये पण सेम आहे आणि लॅम्बर्ट मध्ये पण सेम आहे. फक्त ऍड काय झालं तुमचा कॉस थिटा. हा कॉस थिटा म्हणजे हा तुमचा कोसाइन अँगल. हा कोसाइन अँगल कोणता? तर सरफेस एरिया आणि सोर्स यांच्यामधला जो अँगल